Howdy y'all. Today we have a project. Chicken just bit me. You stupid little chicken, you. I have all my helpers here. I had my finger down there and one tried to take a bite out of it. Haven't had that happen before. But anyway, that's enough of them. So you'll be hearing them chirp, cluck in the background. You just gotta watch where you hang your hand so they don't nibble on your fingers. But anyway, today we got a project. And what it is in this little package. That's right, got a little package. So let's see what's in there, shall we? So as you can see, in this package, we have from Landmaster. We've been trying to find this for a long time now. I finally found the transformer for our side-by-side. Our little Yardsport YS200 4x2. So the need for this is this wiring shorting out and melting. Something happened to the transformer itself. Is that even what it's called? Let's see what it's actually called. It's the voltage regulator HO alternator. So the old one, we started smelling something burning like smoke. I thought the transmission was going out or something. It was actually this alternator thingy going out. So had a hard time finding the one with 3 different connectors like this. Found the same thing but 2 connectors, no connectors, just different. But we found the exact duplicate with the correct connectors now. So now I don't have to change out the wiring harness on the cart itself. So let me show you where this thing is located. Let's look at what we have at hand today. So if you look down in here, that transformer goes to these 2 connectors. And then obviously there's a ground here, some bolts it's going to bolt to. And there's another single connector here somewhere. So let's go ahead and get this thing hooked up and then see if she'll start. So let's just temporarily hook this up just to see if we can get it started. Got it connected there. Now let's get the second connector connected like so. Pull check, push. Pull check, push. It's a little tight right here, but got the ground hooked up. Okay, we got her battened down. Got the couplers plugged in. Let's see if we get any juice. Okay, let's go get the charger. Alright, so I got the booster hooked up to the battery to give a little extra juice. Let's see what happens. Will she start? It's been at least 4 months. Pull the choke out. Well, she started. She's running. Well, she started. She's running. things do a great job. It wasn't even on a full charge. I keep this in my truck, but I just hadn't had it plugged in. Ran it down the last time, so. Anyway, it's always great when you fix something and it works. Now the final test. Let's see how she runs. I bought this little handy dandy Cobalt toolkit. Not that I needed one, but I just hate digging for my tools all the time. So when I need a tool for a project, why not just go buy a toolbox? Wonder where that goes. Right here. That's how we do it here on Peterson Farms in Asheville. We get it done. Thanks for joining us. Hope you got something out of that. God bless y'all. See you next time.